Good evening, my people. Good evening again. Good evening to you all. Please join the live, please, and thanks. You know my thing already, Coming comes to them nice food, I know the thing going on. I have to showcase it, my people, You see it? Supposed to do a video today, but time catch up on me, I couldn't get for this, so I just come to the little live, people? Yeah. So I don't know a thing go. Good evening to all you people, my family, friends, and subscribers. Good evening again. Please join the live. About now, I am going to consume some food. You know the thing already. Uh, First and foremost, hold on. I'm gonna pray. Most righteous and eternal Father, we give you thanks, we give you praise. Lord, thank you for this food that we are about to come, that we are about to receive, that we are about to eat this evening, Father God. Thank you for providing it. Lord, just bless the hands who will it, and bless those who don't have it and help them to get something to eat. Father. In the name I pray. Amen. Yeah, my people. Right now, see that? Some nice caramel dumpling with some brown stew chicken, yam and banana with some nice, me not like my vegetable, people. Vegetable, you see it? With some grape juice. Yeah. Wow. Grape juice, vegetable, stew chicken, brown stew chicken, banana, dumpling. This is not half my dinner this evening, people. Okay? First and foremost, you don't have to deal with vegetable first, so I'm gonna put the dumpling aside first and deal with vegetable here. Understand? So you know I like eat the vegetable first, people. And you know I like it look nice dressing here. Thousand Island. I have a lot in the fridge and I don't know why I choose to take up this one. I don't know why I choose to take up this one and have the steel one inside the fridge. Yes, my people. Join the live, please. Thumbs up the live, please. You know that you don't need the thumbs up. Touch the thumbs up button, please. Subscribe if you not yet do so. Alright? Just coming out for the road, people. Thumbs up the live, please, and thanks. I'm eating stew chicken with caramel dumpling, banana, and yellow yam. Alright? Some nice vegetable here and I have some grape juice here. Yeah? Now I like eat the vegetable first. So while you join the live, please thumbs up, please, and thanks. Please thumbs up the live, please. Nice Jamaican food, You know the thing come down. You know my thing, this I just need, You're going to showcase some other stuff, but we do this for the time being. And most of the time I don't really have the time, but whenever I have time, do me can do. Okay, people? Please thumbs up the live, please, and thanks. Getting I'm just stick to the vegetable. I just get a little bit there, man. Please thumbs up the live, please, and thanks. ask you guys to thumbs up the live. You know we need the thumbs up. You know that. Yeah. I like to share my dinner with you guys. Touch the thumbs up button, please, and thanks. Authentic Jamaican food is no people. Nice brown stew chicken, some nice yellow yam, and caramel dumpling, some soft banana. Wow. All them food are nice. Look at the settings, people. Mm. Thumbs up the live, please, and thanks. Okay. We just joined the live. Some caramel dumpling, brown stew chicken, yellow yam, some nice soft green banana, alright? You've never seen far, knife and fork eat vegetable. And the first man do this. You know, people? Get rid of this. Put this over here, so. Drop the dumpling them. Get some meat on the plate. Get some gravy as well. Start the boiler. Wow. Nice. Caramel dumpling, my people. As you can see, me still a little bit down in the car. Me still on some, you know, on some vibes, you know. As I tell you, some my mother passed away Saturday morning. She died Saturday morning. So I'm still not 100, I still have a little, you know. I know what thing go. I know love your mother, I know what thing go. Thumbs up the live, please. And I love your mother, people. It's just boss out, so just drop out something like that. Hurt, man. Thumbs up the live, people. Please thumbs up the live. Come on, the live, people. Please thumbs up the live and leave a comment, you know, something. I don't know the thing go. If you're a subscriber, please subscribe, alright? Trying our best to, you know, reach the 1,000 mark. So please ask me for the support, alright? Without you guys support me, you know, we can't reach nowhere. Okay? spicy brown stew chicken, man. You see, I love my chicken, it's spicy, you know. Touch the thumbs up button, my people, please. Please touch the thumbs up button, please and thanks. You know the thing go. Okay? Thank you for joining the live, people. Please, thanks. So, thank you so much. First, I was going to do a video about trying to catch up on my people. And I couldn't do the video, so I'm going to just do something for the people, you know? So please join the live, please. Thumbs up the live, please. Tell a friend, tell a friend, a family, a neighbor. Support the thing, people, please. Put on that friend. Please support the thing. You know me always showcase my dinner, man. Nice caramel dumpling and brown stew chicken and the gravy. Wow. Real nice, people. And my thing come down. Now I usually in the night I get have the meat, you know? And bone. I have to want to cut it at time. Lovely banana here, you know? Touch the thumbs up button, people. Please and thanks. Thumb up the live, man. Please touch the thumbs up button, please, no, man. You know what? We want the thumbs up, man. Thumbs up. We need the thumbs up, you know, people. We need that support there, you know? We need that support there, people. We need that support there. We need that support there. Please thumbs up. Please thumbs up, man. Banana stuff and nice, people. No many people like cook banana, you know. But we are Jamaican, you know. We eat them stuff like that. We know it's good for you. It's a banana give you iron, you know. And you know it got people. and the thing is good for you, you know it. Touch the thumbs up button, people. Please. You know nothing go man. You know I'm not too jolly, but you know, I still have to come out here in the car. I don't know anything go man. You know the people them out here, you know man. When you see me eat and drink, I mean, normal do that, but you know, very thirsty the people. I'm tired, you know. People will never answer the question, you know. And ask you know if the month have nothing to do with people. Like, for example, you're born January, February, March, and one of the month, and then say the month have a lot to do with you as an individual. I ask the question the other night and I get the answer. That is true. You need to know. Touch the thumbs up button, man. Please, when you come up on the live, please touch the thumbs up button. And if you just join the live, people, I eat brown stew chicken, caramel dumpling, yellow yam, and soft banana, green banana. Okay? With some grape juice. I already eat the vegetable already. And you know, I'm not eat the food without vegetable. Very rare. And you know I love my vegetable. Okay? So please thumbs up the live if you're just joining. Press the thumbs up button if you don't understand where the thumbs up button is. Look at the top of the phone. And press, you see the thumbs up, just press it. And you see it going in the middle, just press it again. And you give me that support that I need, alright? Like up the live, my people. Like up the live. And enjoy the food with me, man. Come on, man. Enjoy the food with me, man. You know, I like showcase my dinner, man. I know you guys like them type of food here, you know. I want to get everything up and running right away. Nothing unturned, nothing unturned. Everything sort out. See my people? Yes, man. Please thumbs up the live, alright? If you're not subscribed, my people, subscribe, alright? Touch the notification bell. Yes, my people. Some enough it up and go on. Some enough it up and go on. Look at it, man. Ooh. flour here nice with the gravy, see people. Nice flour, man. Mmm. With the gravy. Ooh. Mild and soft brown stew chicken, my people. Mm-hmm. Thumb up the like, people, please. Please thumb up the like. Please. We need an answer, my people. All who's on the left, answer the question, man. If the month have nothing to do with the individual, and most people say the month, you tell her which month you're born and can't tell her what type of person is. I mean, even know if that is true, you know. I mean, I really have that experience because I just say people talk about my month. I mean, if some of the people still like that, but I know me still like that way. Some of what them say. Who born my month? More than if a real thing. Touch the thumbs up button, man. Brown stew chicken. Dumpling and banana, some nice caramel dumpling. Nice gravy. Whoa. Nice yellow yam. Ooh. I want to top it off. Grape juice, my people. Yeah, man. Grape juice, top everything, people. Okay, people. Again. So the gravy rich and nice. Touch the thumbs up button, man. Give me a like, people. Give me a like. Join the line, people. Respect and thanks to everybody, you know, man. Go join the line, you know. If you get one people, me alright, my people. One support, me good. I'm not a greedy person. So thank you, people. Touch the thumbs up button, man. And support the thing, man. Please. Let me support, man. Please and thanks. You know, and my things, the people. This is what I do, you know, showcase my dinner. You know? I'm still gonna have it. And any subscriber out there. Anyone of my subscriber out there want to cook something for them? Just say the word, man. Yeah. You want to invite me to come cook for you? No problem. If this is something on the live where you like, man, just mention it, man. If you want me to come cook for you, if you want me to get the ingredients. I know the ingredients depend on it still, but you know, I can guide you through the step. Worked off. But what's down? People, wish you could have done here for this stuff for you. Because nice, you know? Real nice. The Afro yam. We call it Afro yam in Jamaica. Don't lie, you know? That's so much name. Some people call it Afro yam. Some people call it yellow yam. Some people call it all different names. But we call it Afro yam and we call it yellow yam in Jamaica. I don't know if the people know about pom pom yam. We have pom pom yam too, you know, in Jamaica. And a little different from the yellow yam. It's round. It's round, you know. We call it pom pom yam. We have nigger yam. Well, that most countries call stuff different from us. Everybody call them things different. Yeah. No jingle. Just join live. Thumbs up, man. So just a join live, I eat. Tell me I eat. Brown stew chicken, caramel dumpling, yellow yam, and banana. With vegetable. If you just a join live, you can watch it over and see the whole thing. Okay? So please thumbs up, alright? People, the gravy nice stuff, sure. With the Afro yam. We call it Afro yam, that's a yellow yam. Yeah, man. Yes, my people. Nice and nice and nice. Thumbs up the like, my people. Please. Put the thumbs up button, man. And look a small life, you know? Not a long life. The yellow yam nice, people. The yellow yam nice, that's shrimp. That's why I want people. Share them the food, you know. Don't be not craving. I can't tell how much food I eat, you know. I eat 3 dumplings, 2 pieces of yellow yam, and 2 finger banana, and about 8 pieces of meat. That's not greedy, though. A simple amount of food that for one person eat, man. You know what I mean, people? I'm gonna chastise them some crib, alright? Hard working man have to eat food, alright? What's that go? Yeah, man. I'm bless up on yourself, man, and thank God for joining life, people, because without Uno, can't reach nowhere. You understand? Can't reach nowhere at all. So, we're grateful for all of the people who join and all the people who thumbs up and all the people who subscribe. We're grateful for them. You understand? We're grateful for the whole of them. And me on the food basket never go dry. Okay? Yeah, me food restore in your basket. Right so. Okay? Yeah. So just give thanks again and me thank you so much to stay with me and watch me eat the food. Cause I know many people that do it, but you know, the people that will do it for me, thanks. Many thanks. Yeah? So just like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Please, when you subscribe, please touch the notification bell. As I'm upload another video, you will see it, alright? You go over Rinty's Plate, check out Rinty's Plate, check out Simple Food with Taste, and go over my, All Purpose Kitchen TV. Lot of food to cook over the same way. Understand? So I'm say big up on yourself and big up Colors again. Cause I'm man my mentor, Colors. Yeah man. Big up Papi, big up the whole Colors team, Don't know. J Progress. Jamaica walk by. Tap up yourself, youth. Enough respect. Enough respect to all of the YouTubers them. You don't know. I all the way upon this, So I support everybody. So give thanks again and blessing. I will sip my bourbon, alright? Thank you all.